we are always connected. That's the beauty.
All right. That's great. That's great.
Yeah,
have a safe trip and have a safe drive.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Iskandar. So moving on, we'll go to the next speaker for today. So we have Encik Muhammad Hazli Rasul, who is the co-founder and CEO of Move Robotics, a startup company that is focusing on autonomous technology and mobile robotics technology. So his background is in mechatronics. So he's a bachelor degree in E&E from University Technology Malaysia, UTM, Skudai Johor. And he continued his master and research in electric vehicle, focusing on steer-by-wire technology for compact electric vehicle, CEV, under MJIIT UTM-KL. And he has experiences in handling and delivering multi-million worth of projects in autonomous mobile robots, AMR, unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, during his ventures with his previous startups, actually with a partner in Singapore. So without further ado, Hazli, over to you.
All right, thank you. I will first share my screen. All right, can you see my screen? All right, good. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Farhan, for the introduction. Thank you also to DRZ Iskandar and MTDC for organizing this event. Such a pleasure to be invited today for sharing session. And also, I would like to appreciate the participant and audience, and also the line of speaker today who are joining us. Hi, my name is Muhammad Hazli. I'm a co-founder of Move Robotics Berhad. Today, I would like to share with you about autonomous mobile robot, or in short, AMR. Okay, let's start with what is AMR. Autonomous mobile robot is a combination of two segments, which is autonomous and a mobile robot. Autonomous means independent and having the power to make its own decisions. While the mobile robot is a robot that capable of moving in surrounding, like locomotions. So it doesn't matter whether it's used a set of wheel or tank track setup or any legs mechanism, as long as moving on the ground, we can call them mobile robots. Okay. By this, we can also explain AMR is having a unique ability to navigate in an uncontrolled environment with a higher degree of understanding of its surrounding via set of sensors and AI, artificial intelligence, compared to AGV, which is also a mobile robot, but it uses magnetic line as a guide to navigate. Okay, autonomous technology allows mobile robot to move more freely and independently, which is can avoid any obstacle on its path and continue to complete its tasks, where AGV is needed to stop and wait until the obstacle is being removed. So I believe many of you guys familiar with AGV, automated guided vehicle, which is widely used in industry like production factory and also warehouses. Okay, let's go deep in the comparison between AGV and AMR. First, it is navigation. AGV use guided method while AMR use trackless natural navigation. Okay. Secondly, is the ability to avoid obstacle. AGV have to stop when obstacle in its path, while AMR capable of moving surrounding the obstacles and find the best path toward the destination goals. Thirdly is the flexibility. AGV needs a new installation of a guided path in order to make a new path. Okay, while AMR is we just need to scan a new map and of the new environment and assign a new position using a fleet management system software. Okay, next is the cost. AGV is sure is less expensive compared to AMR. This is due AMR is using a set of complicated sensor fusion and sophisticated autonomous control system. The most common sensor used in AMR is a 2D LiDAR, IMU accelerometer, and a wheel encoder. More advanced AMR, we use like 3D LiDAR or multi-depth camera. Okay, but even though AGV is much cheaper, the maintenance cost of magnetic guided tape is quite a challenge on the long-term perspective, whereby it has to be changed 6 or 12 months, depend on environment. So this will add up the maintenance cost of the AGV. Okay, the next comparison is the installation complexity. AGV require more complex and time-consuming installation rather than AMR, which is AMR is fast and easy to deploy. Okay, on the reliability, some say AGV is more stable compared to AMR, but nowadays the fast changing technology allows AMR to have a very good operation reliability. Yeah, both mobile robots use a different safety standards, but both are aimed for ensuring the robot to be safe to be operated towards its environment. Okay, so many people still confusing whether to use AGV or MR for the operation. All right, our answer is very simple. It depends on the situation and environment. All right, these are the some guidelines that we made. So AMR is more suitable to be used at high frequency moving item or high repetitive transferring tasks. For example, like Amazon, they processes 1,000 of fulfillment package in a minute, which is need the robot to be highly intelligent to perform the task. Okay, AMR also suitable to be deployed in the complex environment, such as like hospital, or nowadays we see the autonomous mobile robot in Walmart store, right? All right, AMR also flexible in adapting continuous changing environment, like in warehouse, for example, right? The environment is always changing. Okay, next is AMR is suitable on demand transferring. Okay, example on demand is on the production factory where they are practicing in just-in-time process flow, like automotive factories. All right, lastly, when the place is not suitable to put any magnetic guidance or any guided mechanism, so AGV is not an option. So MR is more suitable to be deployed in such condition. So like outdoor environment. Okay, but this list is just a few example of condition and situation to be deployed AMR. It's really depend on the actual environment, because the objective of both AGV and AMR is to improve efficiency, improve safety, and allow human to focus on highly value activity. So, rather than just time consuming, no value added, pulling or pushing trolley around the facilities, right? So we can let the robot to do the task. Okay, moving to next. All right, this is the type of autonomous mobile robot for indoor usage. We have the good two-person robots, collaborative AMR, and autonomous forklift or stacker or tuggers. All right, for the outdoors, this is some of the example. Most of them are used for delivery purposes, like food delivery or parcel delivery. I think the food delivery testing it at DRZ Iskandar, right? Okay, but we can see there's two different environment here, which is on the sidewalk or on the road. They are using the same autonomous system, but in order to run on the road, it requires a very high level of safety standard, similar to autonomous vehicle, and have to pass through a rigorous test before they can be deployed on the road. Okay, let's look at the market size of AMR. Right, in 2019 alone, the market size is huge. It's already 29 billion USD, and expected a whopping 220 billion on the 2030. All right, this figure is mostly contributed from manufacturing and warehousing industry, while other industry also are slowly growing forward. Okay, these are some example of AMR from a various industry. We have a factory, warehouses, cleaning, services, delivery, security, and even in agriculture. Right. So Move Robotics, who are we? I can say that we are more on R&D company that focusing on autonomous technology and mobile robot technology. Our objective to harness the power of the robots. All right. Our mission is to free human from dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks. And our vision is to accelerate autonomous robot and smart workforce in Asia. So introducing our own solution, Mover, an autonomous robot fleet, self-developed locally by Move Robotics. So we have here is indoor autonomous mobile robot, outdoor autonomous mobile robot. The latest one is we have the good two-person robot, which can pick up a container from the rack and deliver it to the person. Okay. All right. All of this robot is using our own controller board inside and our own custom fleet management system, all developed locally. Right. What we do here, we design the mechanical, electronics board. We do our own programming, we do our own motor control and navigation, and everything we do ourselves. So customization is not a problem. We can develop a small or big autonomous mobile robot. All right, our roadmap this year is focusing on indoor application. Next year, we'll be focusing on outdoor application, and also we will towards the agriculture and on-the-road applications. All right. So we invited all of you here to come to our Autonomous Training Center at MTDC UPM Serdang, where we develop with MTDC. So where professionals, engineers, technicians, or students can come here and learn about the technology inside the MR. So please visit our website and contact us for further information about this. Okay, our achievements so far, we are one of the participants of Traju Support Grant on 2020, and also we already completed a Cyberview Living Lab Asset program, this year. And also this year also we are very, very lucky to be few selected from many applicants to join a prestigious Petronas Future Tech 2.0 program in collaboration with Iskandar NTM, which powered by 500 startup and supported by National Technology Innovation Sandbox NTIS. I think that's all for my sharing. This is our contact information. Easily you can find us on Google. You just type Move Robotics and you will find www.moverobotics.com. I think that's all. Back to you, Mr. Farhan.
Thank you so much, Hazli. I think congratulations as well, if I can,
thank you.
All of the achievement that you and your team have made, and good luck for your program with Petronas.
Yeah, inshallah.
It is still currently ongoing?
Yes, correct. Every day.
All right. Great. All the best and good luck.
All right.
Thank you so much, Hazli. Please stay on. Hopefully, I think that I have received some questions, and hopefully we can get some of them answered at the end of the session. So again, if you guys have any questions that you would like to ask Hazli or the other speakers that we have today, please click on the QR code that you can see on your screen right now, or in the chat box as well.